We call our race Homo sapiens due to the fact that our thinking ability is a tremendous weapon for us. Thousands of years now, humans try to understand how this soft material in our head perceive, understand, predict, and manipulate a world far more extensive and complicated. The Faculty of Artificial Intelligence, aka AI, researches not only the understanding of the human brain, but it tries to build one. Artificial intelligence is quite famous in recent years. However, it's not that new. The initial point was after World War II, and the term was declared in 1956. Fast forwarding to our century, AI was improved and infiltrated all areas such as medicine, economics, linguistics, mathematics, and more. This achievement was made by systematizing and automating the mental work of a single brain so that it can be applied to any activity of the human mind.